Hello, my name is Richmond, and I'm here to help you digitize in Embird. Please let's start with today's lesson. Today's tutorial is on how to use our background filters in digitizing. The background filters plays a major role, especially when you are digitizing in Format 2 designs, that is making photo stitches, like making photo design. So I'll first import my image. So with this image, I will resize it. Then I'll make a quick Format 2 drawing around the head. Now generate it. It is generated all right. You get the resemblance a little bit closer to the image, but the contrast is very low and the brightness is very low. So we'll need to readjust the contrast and the brightness with the background filters. Go to normal. Yeah. So I will increase it a little bit and click on apply. Then I'll regenerate my logo again. You see, it's improving a little bit. Now let me show you. I've already digitized this image, so let me show you. It is the image that I digitized. It's very much improved. You just have to learn how to use your background filters to improve the contrast and the brightness of your image. Let me show you the colored version. You see the colored version is very, very, very nice. And it is the background filters which I adjusted. See, there is my setting. So you can even screenshot and you can use it in your smart design. As I intend on doing extensive video and explaining on how to use these brightness and the contrast in Somato design. I just want to see if I will get enough time and I'll do it for the whole public to know how to use the Somato tool in making Somato designs, that is photo stitches designs. Thank you. Hello, that's Richmond helping you digitize in Embed. Subscribe to my channel for more future content like this. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.